What's good, everybody? Iceberg Slim, what's good?
We got juice photos, you already know it.
Drewski.
We got the Honda today instead of the Beamer or everything else that I usually have.
Is this your new permanent car, though?
What's the word, Dave? What's the word, Dave?
Shit, man. You know, we out here.
Yes, sir. Come on, this hood, man.
No, we got a B18, you feel me?
Oh, shit, okay. Yes, sir.
Integral swap.
Bro's got the fucking Mercedes-Benz hood. It goes all the way up, bro.
That bitch go vertical. That shit vertical.
90 degrees.
80 horsepower, dog.
80.
Bro, that's
80 horsepower.
This bitch pushing maybe 500-600, you feel me? No cap. We got the upgraded master cylinder in that bitch, too. Don't play with me. We got the upgraded master cylinder.
Okay.
Hey, Drew.
We got Mo. And... Yes, sir. We out here downtown. We got this motherfucker right here. Look at this motherfucker right here. But no, we just over here cruising downtown Detroit, you feel me? We just pulled up at the Z deck, you feel me? I got some good ass footage. I'm gonna upload some footage on here from here. I know I haven't been uploading in minutes. I've been busy, you know, working on that. But, yo. Look at these two. We got motorized in the building. Motorized. What's the deal? Okay. Fit check. Got the text out. Got the text out. My man's over here with the lights on. My man's got the lights on. Shit. Half of these motherfuckers I don't even know, man.
Yeah, this motherfucker was either gonna smack him or smack me.
Hey man, I had to make some maneuver, bro. I had to make some maneuver. Bro, it was smooth, low key. It was smooth. Yeah. Bro. When did you get here? Yeah.
I got here a little before everybody.
Oh yeah.
This is better than being out in fucking Birmingham.
Oh God.
There's a lot more.
This is like my second time this year coming down here.
You don't come out here?
I really
I come out
don't.
here all the fucking time, bro.
It's crazy because my grandma literally lives around here too. I just don't come out here. Oh, my bad, G, my bad. We trying to get the photography shit going. Let me check out this dude with the lights. What the fuck you doing, bro? Yes, sir. Go right ahead. I'm down. We got this motherfucker. What's up, man? Hey, what's up? Oh. Zach, man, what's the deal, man?
What up, gang?
All right, Noah, say something to the camera. What you gotta say, man? What you gotta say, man? Come on, man. Don't be camera shy. Come on, man.
Oh, we can say something on the camera.
All right, what you gotta say?
Why you got butt plugs on your head?
Oh, come on, man. You can't be doing me like that, man. Not on camera.
Is it not colder up here? And it's alive.
Bro, delete that footage right now. Hey, bro. Oh, yeah. Happy birthday, my G.
I'm not holding my own thing.
Hey, I got you, bro. I promise not to eat it.
What's candles?
Oh, no, I ain't got it.
Fireworks, anything. Why are you looking at me like that?
You look like
Hey, I got some fireworks in the back, low key.
Hold them out. Hold them out.
Nigga, you goofy.
Who the fuck is Goofy? You just gave me the most anime reaction ever. Like,
I gotta go live too. Hold on.
And that shit looks scrumptious, bro.
How old are you?
That shit looks scrumptious.
How old are you?
He's 12. You in life too.
You're 12?
12.
And for ages on the clock.
He a minor, bro.
And for ages on the clock. Say it, go ahead. What's the saying? What's the saying? Finish it. For ages on the clock. What? 44th president's Barack.
What the fuck?
Somebody put a wood in it. Somebody put a wood. Hey,
No, for real.
Kareem, you can't. Bro, have you seen the prices of wood recently? It's fucked. You tried building a house recently? What the fuck?
$250 for a 2x4. Believe me, I know 2x4.
You know more than I do.
Bad, bro.
And that's not good.
Hey, I got some fireworks in the back. We can light them from here.
In the what? You get them
I thought that was a candy. You have me lighting it.
Damn, what the fuck was that? Why we all turn around? We got to turn left the fuck.
It was right there. Is that a fucking Nutella? Oh my fucking
Who?
God.
Which one? The challenger.
Which one?
Oh, I'm 40 rolling. Where you at?
Hey, I'm gonna
I'll do a 40 roll.
I'm gonna kill you.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah, it's going on YouTube.
Hey, chat. What do you guys think, chat? What y'all think?
Oh! China 5! China, yo! Yo, China 5!
going on?
Oh my God! Grab my car! Oh my God!
What?
Oh my God, the China 5!
You guys ready?
All right, we sing that. All right, come on.
Damn, why y'all got phone?
Whoa. What the fuck wrong, bro?
Why we can't finish fucking happy birthday song?
All right, come on. All right, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Are you one?
No, we not about to do that shit. No, we ain't doing that shit. We ain't doing that shit.
Wait. Are we got tear ups here? 3, 2, 1!
Just tackle him.
Slap it on his face, bro.
Hey, bro, that's an indirect kiss. I ain't doing that shit.
Get on, my boy.
I got better.
Fuck your camera setup.
Let's get to go.
God damn. I got the GoPro on too. Damn.
Oh my God. Dude, that guy's half the size of the car. What the fuck?
Sheesh. Oh my God, a bird dookie.
Bro. Gotta zoom in.
Gotta zoom in on it. Damn, fat ass, bro. It's not going nowhere. It's right here.
Not on my fucking car.
What the fuck? He's about just
You gonna be here for? You gonna be here like
Shit, I'm gonna be here for a little minute. I mean, still, the night is young, you feel
what time
me?
you think you gonna leave? Maybe 11:30?
Yeah,
Bro,
probably.
who's NPC?
What the fuck, bro? Right here, you feel me? Big Drewski.
Hold on, let me get that. Big Drewski, we out here, downtown Detroit. Finna get everything lit up on them in a minute. You know, we got the Honda. We don't got the Mitsubishi no more. Stella's in surgery right now.
She's coming back. She's coming back.
Hopefully, we ain't gonna say that. Yeah, knock on wood. You feel me?
Hopefully.
I got the fresh cut. You know, my black barber got me hit up. You know, 'cause only black barbers are the best. You feel me? We got Big Zach in this bitch.
Yes, sir.
Big Nismo Zach, big dick back Zach.
Whoa.
I'm over there taking pictures. I come through to this shit. What are you talking about?
Hey, we got Big Dick Wave.
yeah, but no.
Whoa. Brother, you ain't got no storage left, bro. What's up with that? Damn, fucking greedy ass nigga. Hell no. Bro, got him telling Smarties, all this. Wait, what did he say?
Bro, he said eat some of that man's cake, bro. I said that's what he said.
Oh.
What type of cake is it?
Huh?
What type of cake is it? Chocolate cake.
He said, shit, what the damn, nigga?
He's laughing in.
He said, I gotta give me some of that.
Is that an actual?
Ain't no shame over here, bro.
No, real talk though, real talk. Laptop Civic with no Civic.
Bro, this nigga came over here talking about
You got a laptop without no Civic. Feel me? Like, is the laptop guy still? Like, is that laptop worth
There
it?
goes it for me.
Probably shit, I don't know.
He dropped it. He dropped it. That's it. There's no more food for him. Yeah,
Fucking goofball.
That's China 5, bro. Bro. That's China 5.
Wait.
Where the fuck is Zach going? No.
Bye.
He's leaving.
That's you, bro.
Damn. But no, as most of y'all know, I got me some new wheels. Put an extra clip in here. Like, I'm coming hard next season. I'm coming hard. I'm telling y'all, bro. The JDM scat, getting some new shoes. What I got on right now, this is just something temporary, you feel me? With the noodles, I just gotta give me some tires for my new rims. Still slammed as hell, scraping. I really don't even come here much at all. I got so much planned next season, bro. Once weather gets warmer, we're going crazy. We're going real crazy.
All they had to help her find
Where you
it.
come from, man? What question come on?
Smoked. I'm high as hell. I was solo dolo on this mission. Fighting lions and shit in the jungle.
Where the fuck Nitty at?
Oh my goodness, there's so many fucking lights in my Nitty's on the way.
Oh, you on the way?
Chris, like, he was supposed to follow me, and then I saw him turn around in another corner, like, trying to come in.
Okay.
And I was like, well.
Like we all just got our cameras pointed at this
I
nigga.
know, bro. It's so fucking bright.
Yeah, he got the wagon on him. Yeah, he got the wagon, you feel me? Stems. Bro, what the fuck? Oh no, that ain't Chris. I thought that was Chris.
Actually, right there, that's a cop.
Oh, for real? That's a cop?
It's blue. Why is his back caliber so much smaller than his front caliber?
I don't know.
You saw that?
I saw, yeah. So,
It's actually insane. What? The front calibers are
no, this motherfucker just running his mouth.
Yeah, they're fucking massive. And the back ones are this big. Look at the difference. Yo, that's I mean, I don't care, but
I don't care.
I'm just saying, like, it's a big difference.
Look at this motherfucker. Fucking goofball ass. Why you just now getting here?
Because I had to drop the girl off.
Nah, shut up. You was cake baking. Oh, this the shit right here.
What's up, man? How are you? Thank you.
No.
Good thing you're out here, man.
Bro, I gotta tell you something.
Somebody show him a picture of the edge.
Robster. I don't know. I don't even know.
I did better than last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me credit, please.
Damn.
Does this look like the building in GTA that's never been finished?
Oh God. The building that's never been finished.
You don't need to bring the car. Yeah, my man Mo. Yeah,
What up, though?
Bro's in win mode.
Oh, come on, man.
Look, Draco's even saying it.
You good, man? Come on.
I hate you, bro.
Who did that? This mother. Where'd he go? This motherfucking house just pulled up. Yeah. All right. So this is gonna conclude the video today. I just wanted to post a little something because I know I haven't been active as much. I want to get a little something out there, you know. All the boys was out, the whole crew was out. I just want to get a little bit of content, you know. Put on the channel. I'm going to upload most of the footage that I got on the GoPro. So stay tuned for more videos in the future, though. Especially Slam to Death, Ohio, because you know that's going to be coming up in May. And I'm going to be there. So especially with my new setup and everything. Everything's going to be all nice, crispy. Don't forget, hit that like button and subscribe. And stay active, you feel me? We about to go crazy. This year, just get ready.